My name's Lynn O'Dowd. I'm a keynote performer. I work with people who want to step out of their comfort zones and really risk new levels of passion, performance, and courage.
Inside of you is the most amazing person this world needs to meet. Believe you can and you will. And when you do, you, like me, will be happier, more fulfilled, and more successful.
I thought Lynn was great. The message was inspiring. One of the best speakers I've ever seen. Fantastic.
Life's a journey. It's not a destination. So your full potential is going to be unfolding throughout your entire life, which means there is no dress rehearsal. This is the real show. Your life, your show.
Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on.
And then there's that high note.
Dream on, dream on, dream on. Everybody scream! Let me ask you something. Do you think your biggest regrets are going to be about the things that you did that you tried, or about the things that you didn't do? Yeah, let me tell you something. You are never going to feel ready to do something you're afraid of, such as stepping into a greater leadership role.
When you step out of your comfort zone, guess what? You do things that are not comfortable. Sometimes it's hard. It's really hard.
Making changes in your personal or professional life that perhaps you've been putting off, or growing beyond your comfort zone. But ready or not, it's all about taking action. Whether it be at work or a passion outside of your work, there's this feeling of fun, excitement, fulfillment, and you bring that to every part of your work and your life. Now make the world a better place. Take a look at yourself and make a change.
What was exciting about it was to see how Lynn took the music, the singing, and the message and brought it together in such a way that it was easy to follow and it was a very poignant message.
What if I told you that in order to achieve more success in your life, you may need to get a little outrageous? Why? Setting outrageous goals, taking outrageous action on those goals, can and will reward you with outrageous outcomes. So who here is open and ready to getting a little outrageous over the next hour? Yeah, not everybody is raising their hand. Stop point often comes right before your turning point. On another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. It's become predictable, and in the end it's right. I hope you have the time of your life.
Because your bliss, your happiness, never leaves you. You leave it. You know, it's easy to get stuck in the muck of self-criticism, fear, confusion. But the song I opened with is not saying we are all born super stuck. It's saying we are all born superstars.
So what are you gonna do with your one wild and crazy superstar life? Don't wait another moment, another year, another 35 years to unleash your inner superstar.
Born this way, hey, I was born this way, hey, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way, hey.
I thought it was really inspiring to watch her. She talked about how she had felt so much anxiety in getting on stage and how you can overcome your fears.
Many of us have lived our entire lives with our gifts hidden.
Why wasn't I looking on the inside? Why was I looking on the outside, looking for somebody else to do it for me? Well, because it hurt too much.
I was laughing. It was heartfelt. It was awesome. It was entertaining. And it's something that everybody thinks but doesn't necessarily want to admit, and it was very inspiring.
So where in your life are you just maybe getting by?
And I just saw Lynn's presentation, Unleash Your Inner Superstar, and it was the perfect way to end the day. She was awesome and inspiring and moving.
I could totally relate to her content. It was uplifting, it was moving. I loved how she incorporated the music.